Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Today I am going to explain you a topic name is parametric function. Function in the form of parameter. That is x in terms of t. This is a function in terms of t, and y is also a function in terms of t. So these are two variables x and y, and now the third variable is t, and that is the common in both the functions. So we say t is a parameter, and I hope you have revised chain rule. We have explained you previously, and you know already chain rule is what? Dy upon dx equal to dy upon dt upon dx upon dt, or you have written already dy upon dt into dt upon dx. Now we will use chain rule in this topic, parametric function. So let us take a problem. X equal to, I say, t square plus 2t, and y equal to t plus 3, I suppose. So this is x equal to a function in terms of t, and y is a function in terms of t, and now t here is a parameter. So now first of all we will find differentiating x with respect to t. Okay, with respect to t, that means dx upon dt equal to t square differentiation, you know, 2t plus 2, and t is 1, that is 2t plus 2, and now differentiation of y with respect to t. So that means dy upon dt, and what is the differentiation of t? 1 plus 0, that is 1, and we find dy upon dx, and that is dy upon dt, chain rule, upon dx upon dt, and substitute the value of dy upon dt, that is 1 upon dx upon dt, 2t plus 2. This is the solution of this problem. I take one more problem from your book NCERT. Exercise 5.6. Exercise 5.6, question number 1. X equal to 2at square and y equal to at4. And now we will find differentiation of x with respect to t. So what is differentiation? Dx upon dt equal to 2a, these two are 2 and a, it's a coefficient, and t square differentiation, you know, 2t, that will be 4at, and now this is differentiation of y with respect to t, dy upon dt equal to a, and what is this? T4 differentiation, 4t2. I mark this is first one, that is second, and now we need dy upon dx. The chain rule is dy upon dt upon dx upon dt. And what is dy upon dt? 4a t cube upon dx upon dt, 4a t. And simplify. It's a t square. So now the differentiation dy upon dx equal to t square. This is the solution of this problem. Another problem. Question 3. X equal to sin t and y equal to cos 2t. Now differentiation of this one, dx upon dt, and you know sine differentiation, it's an elementary function, become cos t, and this one is dy upon dt, and this is function of a function type problem. Then cos 2t, it become minus sin 2t. Cos differentiation, you know, sin 2t, and again you have to differentiation this one, then you will get 2 and t is 1, so that is minus 2 sin 2t, and then we need dy upon dx equal to dy upon dt upon dx upon dt. What is dy upon dt? Minus 2 sin 2t upon cos t, and you can further simplify because it's a sin 2t. So now what can you do? Minus 2 into sin 2t, 2 sin t into cos t upon cos t. This is cancelled. What is the remainder? Minus 4 sin t. So now what is dy upon dx equal to minus 4 sin t. This is the solution of this problem. I take one more problem. From the same exercise, this is question number 6. X equal to a theta minus sin theta and y equal to a 1 plus cos theta. Now here is the perimeter theta. Theta is a perimeter. Theta is a perimeter. That means dx upon d theta. What is dx upon d theta? A as a coefficient, no change, and theta with respect to theta, that is 1, and sine become cos theta. This is the differentiation of dx upon d theta. And now it is dy upon d theta. What is a as a coefficient, and 1 differentiation, you know, it's a constant, becomes 0, plus cos become minus sine theta. I have written minus sine theta. It is minus a sine theta. And now we apply chain rule to find dy upon dx. Dy upon dx equal to dy upon d theta upon dx upon d theta. What is dy upon d theta? Minus a sine theta upon a1 minus cos theta. This is the dy upon dx. But in this step you can simplify further. Dy upon dx equal to minus, it is sine theta. We know a formula. Sine theta means 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2 upon 1 minus cos theta. It is 2 sine square theta by 2. You have studied this trigonometric formula in class 11. The formula was sine 2 theta equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. If suppose I take sin theta, not 2 theta, so it will be 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. And similarly minus 1 minus cos theta, that is 2 sin square theta by 2. These are the formulas. And now you simplify. 2 and 2 cancel, square and sine it is cancelled. Then minus cos theta upon 2 upon sin theta upon 2, it is minus cot theta upon 2. So this is the dy upon dx value. And now it is a solution of this problem. I hope you understood what is the parametric function and how we will deal the parametric function with the help of chain rule. So today you try exercise 5.6 question. Question 2, question 3, not 3, sorry, question 4, question 5, question 10, 9 and question 10. These 5 problems you will try today, and now the remaining problem we will discuss tomorrow. Thank you.